Alright, so ready again. No, we have question 5. Question 5 I think was h of f of x. Was it h of f of x? Right. H of f of x. No, first I want you guys to ask, what should I do? What is the interpretation? What is it that we need now to do after this? Like Mr. Kit want join. Come. If you ever buy me. Anyway, so we need to ask you guys, what is it that we must do here? What is this asking us to do? So I'm gonna make you think, I'm a player cat. Alright? So for the persons who said we put the function f of x into h, you're definitely correct. So this means I need to put f of x into the function h. What is your problem, sir? Alright. So I need to put the function f of x into the function h, right? So therefore I need to write the h function first, which we established in our previous videos. However, anywhere the x there, I go put a bracket, and then I'm supposed to put f in it, right? So now I'm going to write 10 bracket minus 4. Sorry, I'm drawing the line twice. No. So 10 bracket over 4. So the same thing right now, 10x plus 4, but anywhere the x there, I go put a bracket, and you put the next function there, right? So I'm going to write, instead of write 10x minus 4, I put 10 bracket minus 4, and here now I have 3x, so I should put 3 bracket. Now inside these brackets I need to put the function, let's see who's thinking, right, that's the function f of x. I need to put f of x inside these brackets here. Let's extend it a little bit. Right, so in here I'll put 5x squared plus 2. Interesting. So that's 5x squared, I'm write the 2 better. That's 5x squared plus 2, right? And here minus 4, then you have 5x squared plus 2, and close the bracket. So you guys can look at it and make the comparison. So h of f of x, now we have h of f of x, we need to put the function f of x in the function h, right? Now anywhere the x there, we're going to simply put a bracket, and after the bracket we put the function f. So that's how I put 10 bracket f of 5x squared plus 2 minus 4 over 3 bracket 5x squared plus 2. Now if we can remember, or the thing SDS, substitute, distribute, then simplify. So do the substituting already, right? So now we need to distribute here. So I write about this, then now we're going to distribute. So this 10 should be multiplied by the 5x squared here, and this 10 by the 2, then I put it back, right? So I simplify the top part. 10 times 5x is 50x squared, and 10 times positive 2 is positive 20. Marker not writing properly, right? Then now we put, so this is for the bracket, so I put back the minus 4. See if the cat ever bite me. The minus 4 there. Then now we need to distribute. You just want in it, don't you? Want in it, not true? Then now I need to distribute the 3 by everything there. So 3 times 5x squared is 15x squared. And 3 times positive 2 is positive 3, 2 is 6. Right? I'll write the 6 better. Why the marker not right? Good. So 3 times 5x squared is 15x squared, and 3 times positive 2 is positive 6. Then now I am going to leave the video and have you guys see if I can simplify anything here, and then you're going to write it back. And go. Bam. So anybody who get 50x squared plus 16 over 15x squared plus 6, you're definitely correct. Right? Because when I simplified it, we have the 20 minus 4, I will get 16. And nothing I did have to simplify on the bottom part, so I put it back. So therefore, h of f of x is equal to 50x squared plus 16 over 15x squared plus 6. That's it for that question. Alright, so now we have to number 6, right? So solve number 6. I think number 6 was f of 3. So I don't need to solve for f of 3. Now f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 2. So we don't need to find f of 3. So in looking at these two, the only difference is that here you have f of x and here you have f of 3, right? So therefore, the only difference is that I have an x here and a 3 here. So anywhere x is in this equation, I substitute 3. So I write 5, then where the x is, I substitute 3. And then I put back the square outside. Now, alright, so magic again. We just change the mark on whatever. But anyways, so here we had 5x squared. Now remember, only the x you are going to substitute with 3, not the x squared. So x squared is not going to sub. In other words, you're not going to ignore the x squared and just write a 3. No, you have to substitute the x alone for 3. That's why I put bracket 3. Then after I substitute the extra 3, you have to put back what was there, and a squared was outside, so just put back the squared outside. Then I put plus 2, because plus 2 did it, so we finish the function. Then if you guys can remember in the earlier video, when I have a question like this, you have to work the bracket first. You put back the 5, you're not going to distribute it yet. And 3 squared is actually 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So when we work the 3 to the square, we get bracket 9. Then I put back the plus 2. Now, we just simplify. 5 times 9 is 45. Then I add the 2 to it. 45 plus 2 is 47. So therefore, f of 3 is equal to 47. There you go.